Have you filed a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and received a discharge? And as part of that Chapter 13, you put the back payments or the arrearage of your house in the bankruptcy. If you have, then you might find this video interesting, and I would like your help, and I'll tell you that at the end. So here's what we're talking about. You file Chapter 13 bankruptcy, maybe you're paying over 3 or 5 years, and you have your back mortgage payments in there. And so you make all those payments, and you're making your normal payment either through court or outside of court. And then you get to the end of the bankruptcy, and I won't bore you with all the bankruptcy numbers. Bankruptcy court, they love numbers, rule numbers, form numbers. But there's a form that I'll just call it the speak now or forever hold your peace form. And here's what it says to your creditors. It says, look, we think this person is about done with bankruptcy. We think that they have paid everything they owe. If you disagree, file an objection now. File a notice now. If you don't, then the consumer will be discharged. Okay? And so what typically happens is, you've made all your mortgage payments, the back payments and the current payments, and your mortgage company says nothing. And then you get the discharge. And you're like, finally, 5 years. I've struggled to get through. I'm current. Everything's great. Never get into any type of problems like that again. And then in about 3 months, 6 months, your mortgage company, they go, oh, we forgot. We were trying to get $5,000 worth of attorney's fees, and we didn't get those approved by the court like we have to. We'll just stick it on the account right now. Or we have $5,000 in missed payments because our computer system is so terrible. We can't keep up with anything. And so we're just going to say you're $5,000 behind. And what happens is you're just rocking along, making your normal payment. And all of a sudden you get a letter from your mortgage company that says, you're in default. You owe us, an extra $5,000. If you don't pay in 30 days, we're accelerating. Means your mortgage is all due right now. And if you don't then pay right after that, we're going to foreclose on you. You're like, where did this come from? And so you call them and they go, yeah, there's this little snafu in bankruptcy court. You owe this money, so we've tacked it on. It's a problem because that speak now or forever hold your peace document, at least I take this position, and I think I'm correct in it, that if the mortgage company is ever going to tack on $5,000 in fees, $5,000 in past due payments, whatever it is, they got to do it right then. Because once you come out of that bankruptcy and you get that discharge, you're golden, okay? And so you should have a clean start after that. And when after the bankruptcy 2 or 6 months or 12 months, they go, oh, wait, we forgot something. Let's add it on to you, and we're going to take your house if you don't pay it. No, that's not right. So here's what I would ask you to do. Check your mortgage statement. Check your credit report. So when you file bankruptcy, you got a Chapter 13 discharge. What is your mortgage company reporting? And look, it could have changed hands multiple times. It doesn't matter. What is your mortgage company reporting? Are they showing you as current and it's the correct balance? Or every month are they saying that you're $5,000 or $10,000 behind, including the month that you got out of bankruptcy? Again, kind of hard to be behind when you get out of a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you're totally caught up. So what are they saying about you? Read your statements. Do any of your mortgage statements have something in there about there's a $5,000 corporate advance, there's $5,000 past due, anything like that? Now I keep using 5,000. It could be 500, it could be 25,000. I'm just making that number up. But check your statements, check your credit reports. Make sure you read all your letters from your mortgage company. And if you have any issue like this, I would like to know about it, because we're looking at which mortgage companies are doing the worst at this, I guess you would say, and which companies seem to be having it together, at least so they're not making this just flagrant violation of the law. And so just get back with me. alabamaconsumer.com. There's a contact us button. Just fill that out, or you can email me, John at wattsherring. It's WATTSHERRING.com. John, JOHN, at wattsherring.com. And I appreciate you watching this video. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to it, and you can watch some of our other videos. We hope that those will be helpful to you. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.